normal form or canonical form. A matrix A of order m by n is said to be in normal form if A equal to IR 0 0, where IR is the identity matrix of order R by R. Means any rectangular or square matrix you have to convert into identity form by using row and column operations. Then rank of the matrix A after getting into normal form, rank of the matrix A is R. Means order of the identity matrix is called rank of the matrix. Reduce the matrix A into normal form where A equal to 0, 1, 2, minus 2, 4, 0, 2, 6, 2, 1, 3, 1. This is 3 by 4. 3 rows and 4 columns, 3 by 4 matrix. You convert this matrix into normal form by using row and column operations. And I explained you, if you want to calculate the rank of the matrix, rank of A is less than or equal to minimum of m comma n. Here m is 3 and n is 4. Rank of A is less than or equal to minimum of 3 comma 4 is 3. Rank of A is less than or equal to 3 means we may get the identity matrix of order 3 by 3, otherwise 2 by 2, like that. Then here I will explain the concept of once again normal form, how to convert into normal form. Using the first principal diagonal element, you make below elements as zeros, and using the same principal diagonal element, side elements as zeros. Now the first element is here, first principal diagonal element is 0, then we need some element. You can interchange R1 and R2, otherwise you can interchange C1 and C2. Anyhow, first element if in identity matrix we need 1. Now I will interchange C1 and C2. C1 interchange C2, I am writing here. While applying column operations, you write the elements of the matrix column wise, then interchange C1 and C2. 1, 0, 1, 0, 4, 2, I am writing column wise, 2, 2, 3, minus 2, 6, 1. Then using first principal, now principal diagonal element is, first principal diagonal element is 1. Using that 1, you make below elements as zeros. While making these elements as zeros, you have to use row operations. Means we are changing in rows. In R2, the first element is 0, no need to do anything. Then you change R3 first element. R3 changes as R3 minus R1. Then first two rows are same. I am writing first two rows. 1, 0, 2, minus 2. Second row, 0, 4, 2, 6. Third row, 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 0, 2. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 minus of minus plus 2, it becomes 3. Third row once again, 0, 2, 1, 3. Now again using the same principal diagonal element, you have to make side elements as zeros. Then already in second column, the first element is 0, no need to do anything. Then you should make first elements of C3 and C4 as zeros. For that purpose, C3 changes as C3 minus 2C1, C4 changes as C4 plus 2C1. Then 2 minus 2, 0, 2 minus 0, 2, 1 minus 0, again C4, writing column wise, minus 2 plus 2, 0, 6 minus 0, 6, 3 minus 0, 3. Then using the second principal diagonal element, you make below elements as zeros. R3 changes as 2R3 minus R2. Then first two rows are same, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 4, 2, 6, this is second row. Third row, 0 minus 0, 4 minus 4, 0, 2 minus 2, 0, 6 minus 6, 0. Completely third row I got 0, means if it is third row is 0 means we may get identity matrix of order 2 by 2. Then using the second principal diagonal element, side elements as zeros. For that purpose, C3 changes as 2C3 minus C2. C4 changes as 4C4 minus 6C3, that is equivalent to, I am writing column wise, I applied column operations, 1, 0, 0, 0, 4, 0. First two columns are same. Third column, 4 minus 4 anyhow 0. In the third column all elements are zeros. In the fourth column also all elements are zeros. Now you observe this one, only first 4 elements, 1, 0, 0, 4. Means the second row, second column element is 4. Then you should make that one as 1. R2 changes as 1 by 4 into R2. Then it becomes 1, 0, 0, 0 row wise. 0, 1, 0, 0. Third row 0, 0, 0. Then it becomes the first identity matrix of order 2 by 2. I2 remaining elements are zeros. Then it can be written as I2 0, 0, 0. Therefore, we got the identity matrix of order 2 by 2. Therefore, rank of A equal to 2. problem on normal form or canonical form. Find the rank of the matrix A equal to 2, minus 2, 0, 6, 4, 2, 0, 2, 1, minus 1, 0, 3, 1, minus 2, 1, 2. Given a matrix A equal to 2, minus 2, 0, 6, 4, 2, 0, 2, 1, minus 1, 0, 3, 1, minus 2, 1, 2. Now, if the first principal diagonal element is 1, the calculation part will be easy. Now, if you want to convert this into normal form, means IR000 means identity, you convert this matrix into identity matrix. The remaining elements are zeros by using row and column operations. Then, to get that identity matrix, the procedure is using the first principal diagonal element, you make below that element as zeros by using row operations. And using the same principal diagonal element, side elements as zeros by using column operations. Doing this process, if the first principal diagonal element is 1, then it will be easy for calculation purpose. Then in R3, first element is 1, I will interchange R1 and R3. R1 interchange R3, it is equivalent to the above matrix. 1, minus 1, 0, 3, 4, 2, 0, 2, 2, minus 2, 0, 6, 1, minus 2, 1, 2. Now using the first principal diagonal element, below, make below elements as zeros. R2 changes as R2 minus 4R1, R3 changes as R3 minus 2R1, R4 changes as R4 minus R1. First row as it is the same, 1, minus 1, 0, 3, 4 minus 4, 0, 2 plus 4, 6, 0 minus 4 into 0, 0, 2 minus 12 minus 10. Next, R3 changes as R3 minus 2R1, 2 minus 2, 0, minus 2 plus 2, 0, 0 minus 0, 6 minus 6, 0. R4 changes as R4 minus R1, then 0, 1 minus 1, 0, minus 2 plus 1, minus 1, 1 minus 0, 1, 2 minus 3, minus 1. Now, using principal diagonal element 1, I made below elements as zeros. Now, using the same principal diagonal elements, side elements as zeros by using column operation. C2 changes as C2 plus C1, then it becomes 0, right? In the third column, first element is 0, no need to do anything. I am not writing any column operation for that one. C4 changes as C4 minus 3C1. Then, if you are applying column operations, you write the elements of the matrix column wise. First column 1, 0, 0, 0. Means first column 1, 0, 0, 0. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. 6 plus 0, 6. 0 plus 0, 0. Minus 1 plus 0, minus 1. Third row we are not doing anything. Fourth row 3 minus 3, 0. Minus 10, minus 0, minus 10, 0 minus 0, 0, minus 1, minus 0, minus 1. Now, in this, again using second principal diagonal element, below elements and side elements as zeros. For that purpose, I will interchange R2 and R4. R2 interchange R4, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, minus 1, 1, minus 1. Third row as easily, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 6, 0, minus 10. Then second principal diagonal element, if it becomes 1, anyhow we are going to convert this matrix into identity matrix. That's why I am multiplying with minus 1. R2 changes as minus 1 into R2, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, minus 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, fourth row 0, 6, 0, minus 10. Then R4 changes as R4 minus 6 R2. Then using third row, all elements are zeros. Now I am concentrating on R4. R4 changes as R4 minus 6 R2. Then first three rows are same. 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, minus 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then 0 minus 0, 0, 0, 6 minus 6, 0, 0, minus 1 into minus 6 plus 6, minus 10, minus 6, minus 16. It becomes minus 16. Then third principal diagonal element, I need some element, third principal diagonal element is 0, then I can interchange before that one using the second principal diagonal element, make side elements as zeros, C3 changes as C3 plus C2, C4 changes as C4 minus C2. Then I am writing the elements of the matrix column wise 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 plus 0 minus 1 plus 1 0 0 plus 0 0 6 plus 0 6. Next 0 plus 0 minus 0 1 minus 1 0 0 minus 0 0 minus 16 minus 0 minus 16. Now you can interchange R3 and R4 because third principal diagonal element is 0. Since we need some element instead of 0, R3 interchange R4 equivalent to the above matrix 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 6 minus 16 0 0 0 0. C4 changes as 6 C4 plus 16 C3, then it becomes 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0. Column wise I am reading 0 0 6 0 0 0 0. When you are applying column operations, you see the elements column wise. Once again 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 6 0 0 0 0. R4 changes as, I need the third principal diagonal element is 1. R4 changes as 1 by 6 into R4. Then 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0. Therefore, first except the you delete the third row and fourth row and fourth column, then it be remaining a matrix is nothing but identity matrix of order 3 by 3. Then instead of that one I am writing here I3, remaining elements are 0 0 0 0. Therefore rank of A equal to 3.